Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix CIBC notifications when they're not showing up. So first, open your phone settings and find the CIBC app. Then check that notifications are enabled and that the alerts are allowed to appear on your screen. And if you're using an iPhone, check CIBC under Settings and Notifications. And open the official CIBC app and also check its notification or security settings. Then make sure the alerts you want are enabled inside the app as well. You should also check whether Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode are preventing notifications from appearing. And make sure your phone has a working internet connection as well. Then update the CIBC app through your device's official app store. If the notifications still aren't appearing, then sign out and sign back in if appropriate, then check the notification settings again. And if the problem still continues, then you need to contact CIBC through its official support channels. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.